Believe me, this is a very interesting question and you will love it. We are to evaluate this expression and I urge you to watch this video to the end. It is very interesting as well. We are given this expression to the power of 2050 multiplied by this expression to the power of 2050. And our target is to evaluate this or simplify it to get a final answer. It looks complex, but it is very simple. Watch. What we want to do is to identify the powers of these two expressions, 2050, 2050. They are the same. Since they are the same, it means you can take the product of the numbers and raise them to the common power of 2050. This is what I mean. We take the first expression multiplied by the second expression and we can raise them to the common power of 2050. Technically, this and this are the same thing. Now, we now have a simple task of simplifying what is in this bracket. Looking at this bracket, you would have identified that what we have at the numerator is the difference of two squares. You can see the product of two factors that gives the difference of two squares. Root 5 plus 1 times root 5 minus 1. The first term plus the second term multiplies the first term minus the second term. When you have this sort of arrangement, it simply implies the difference of two squares, which is simply the square of the first minus the square of the second. Of course, 2 times 2 is 4, so this expression reduces to 2 times 2, 4. The square of the first minus the square of the second. So this is the difference of two squares. When you factorize this, you obtain what you have at the numerator. The work is getting simpler now because this square here will cancel out the square root and you'll be left with 5. So this becomes 5 minus 1 over 4. Of course, the square of 1 is 1. Everything is raised to the power 2050. Take note of that. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And the expression further reduced to 1 to the power of 2050. We know, and it is simply so, that anything, 1 raised to the power of anything will give you 1, which means the simple answer to this question is 1. Very simple, straightforward, and I believe you loved it. If you did, try this simple one here. Simplify this expression and put your answer in the comment section, and I will be there waiting for you. Please do share this video to your learning colleagues and your friends. Like the video and drop comments in the comment section. If you are watching on YouTube, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so, and endeavor to share it to others. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in our next video.